Hello, Jailer Shark here. Now, behind me is a beautiful 39-foot luxury speedboat. And guess what? It's one of ours. So, let's go and have a look. Come on. Oi, what are you doing? I said we're going to go and look around the boat, not stay there. Come on. There you are. Well, thank you for coming, but stop, stay there. First things first, let's start at the back. Now, in boating terms, we call this the stern. Do you know why it's called the stern? Because it's angry at being dragged behind all the time. There you go, my first boat joke, and I think it's my only boat joke. Anyway, look, the back deck is really important. So this whole back deck, which you can walk around, in fact, I'll come round, stay there. Here I come. There, see? So this whole back deck is really important, and the reason it's really important is there for two reasons. One, it makes getting off and on the boat really easy, and two, it stops you from hitting the things behind me, which I'll show you in a minute, which are called propellers. That's right. So if you jump off the boat or you go snorkeling off the back of the boat, we've got two ladders, one there, one here, to climb up, make it easy for you. And like I said, a big back deck to protect you from hitting the propellers and to make it easy to get up. Good, isn't it? Right, hey, come on, stop mucking around now. We've got to get in the boat. Come on. Oh, hello. There you are. Right, now as you can see, there's two engines on our boats. Why do we have two engines? Well, it's a 39-foot luxury speedboat. It needs a little bit more power than just one engine, plus two engines make the ride smoother, and if ever one of these engines breaks down, you got another one to get you home. Good, eh? That's right. Now, before you get on the boat, please can we just ask, you do take your shoes off, and we've got a little pot here. You can put your shoes in here, you see, and then you can get on. So come on you get, come with us. Welcome to our boat. So this is the inside of our boat, and as you can see, it's covered, which has two benefits. One, it protects you if there's any little drops of sunshine falling from the sky, and it protects you from the sun, which I can tell you right now, when I record this, it's flipping hot. And so I like being in here, although there isn't too much breeze. But when the boat gets going, there's more breeze. Now let me talk you through this whole boat inside. Okay, we've got a basket here, which I'm going to show you in a minute. We've got an ice cooler here, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Life jackets, this is where the captain sits, going to show you that in a minute. I'll take you up the front. All of that I'm going to show you in a minute. But the important thing is look at the space. Look, you could swing a cat in here. Now, I don't say swinging cats is good, because it's not. Don't swing cats, okay? But it's just an expression. It means that there's lots of space. Look. See, you can do helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. There you go. And not only that, I got a little bit dizzy then. Not only that, check out the cushions. They are super soft. And look, they're so soft, you have many positions. In fact, do you know what? I'm going to show you all the positions. Watch this. There you go. That's all the positions you can sit or lie down. Good, isn't it? Very comfy. I like it. Right, I'm thirsty. I wonder if I can get some water. Or something else. This is an icebox, or if you're from Australia, they call it an esky. Inside, we put on water for you and some soft drinks, and if you're very lucky, you get some Dr. Pepper. Please note though, however, not all the boats come with Dr. Pepper. If you do want Dr. Pepper, you have to pre-order it. And at the moment, I've only got 2 cans left. So, if you do work for Dr. Pepper or know someone that works for Dr. Pepper, please let us know, because we need some more. Thanks very much. But you can use this ice box, you can fill it up with your own drinks, you can bring your own alcohol, no problem at all. It's there for you to use. Cool, nice, cool, get it? Ha ha! So, we talked about this box before, a little box of goodies for you. If you're going to go snorkeling, we have all the masks and snorkels, plus fins if you need them, and if you're going to go to Pangnar Bay, you're probably going to go caving, so you're going to need a hard hat. But not only that, all the boats come with these. We have adults and children's sizes, so don't worry, everyone will have a life jacket. Good, isn't it? I would put it on, but I'm already dripping with sweat, so I'm not going to. I know what you're saying. You're saying, Jay, put it on, go on, do the rest of the boat with this on. And then you'll sweat even more. Okay. No, I'm not going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm too hot. Look, I'm already sweating. I'm not going to do it. Honestly, the things I do for you lot. All right, I'll wear it for the rest of the shoot. Anyway, this is the outside area where you can bask in this beautiful sunshine. Or you can sweat your what's-its off. Because I tell you what, it's pretty hot today. But beautiful outdoor space. When the boat's moving, it's really cool to sit here and relax and watch the world go by. In fact, my favourite spot is just here. And this is where I generally sit. Up here. It's nice, isn't it? Yes, it is. Very comfy up here. You got padding in the seats. You've also got padding on your back. Very nice. Do you want to see what it looks like from the sky? Okay, off you go. That's me up there. So, what happens if you get caught short and you need to do a number 1 or number 2? Well, luckily, we've got a toilet. Look, here it is. Oh. Oh. Damn, that's good. Oh. Hey, you want to see inside? Come on in, I'll take you in. Come this way. Whoa. Wow. So, that's a bit bigger than I thought. That's not bad for a boat toilet. Yeah, good. Nice. So, this is where the captain sits. You can tell that because there's a steering wheel here. But, not only do we have a steering wheel, we also have a VHF radio, just in case. And we've also got a GPS, so we know exactly where we are all the time. Good, eh? Yes, it is. Let's go! Choo choo! Oh, it's not a train, is it? What noise do boats make? What noise does a boat make? Not sure. Oh well. Now, what would happen if you cut your foot? Or cut your toe, maybe? It does happen. Shells can be sharp. Luckily, we have a full first aid kit right here, and all our staff are first aid trained. That's right. We look after you, don't we? Look, my God, that's a hell of a first aid kit. Blimey. Right, there you go. That's our boat. So, these are speakers. Now, all the boats have speakers. You know why? That's right. There's a sound system on the boat. So if you want to party and disco on the boat, you can. A bit like this. Let's all have a disco. Let's all have a disco. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's all have a disco. Let's all have a disco. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's all have a disco. Let's all have a disco. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's all have a disco. Let's all have a disco. La 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 la. La 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 la. So there you go. That's our beautiful 39-foot luxury speedboats. Everything has been designed with you guys in mind to make sure it's safe and comfortable and you have the best 5-star experience. If you've got any questions, just comment below. If not, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye. You can go now. Go on, because it's hot. I got to tidy up the boat. Come on, turn it off. Please, turn it off. Oh, fine, do it myself.